Today unboxing is on the latest Tomicarama parking lot. I believe this is a reissue because I saw this parking lot back in 2013 and 2014 in Japan. I never got it, and I'm glad that TLV reissued this parking lot because the secondary prices are way too high. I got 2 sets of these with the intent of expanding the parking lot and expanding on my work desk for feature, but I will keep it to 1 for now before my new work desk come in, so I'll do another feature of combining the 2 sets together. Unlike the Yokohama tire shop, it's a very compact box, doesn't have any building structure, and behind you can see all the contents for the car park. Additional decal sheet, which is really optional. Base of the car park for 10 cars, barrier or wall. Painted lamppost, unlike the other sets, this is very nice. Very nice cone in 1:64. I believe these are concrete markers or barrier for parking usage. Parking signage, these are not decal but it's printed with livery. And the joints for combining the 2 car parks together. Alright, the car park is set up. Very easy assembly, very simple. You just need a hobby cutter to cut out the lampposts and also the cones. One thing very interesting about this signage is it's a freestanding signage. You just have to lean it against the wall or the barrier and you see it drop. You can see the concrete parking barrier. I don't know the actual term, but you need to glue this on the base, which I'll skip. I just randomly placed in the 10 nostalgic car from TLV. It's very random, it's what I can get from my desk. Very impressive, you see they fit like a glove, all in 1:64 scale. Definitely looks great in diecast photography, this is a given, and it looks great from every angle. This parking lot is very simple, a very nice backdrop, and it's a great diorama to display your diecast collection, regardless if your casting is Tomica Limited Vintage. More TLV unboxing coming, and remember to subscribe to my new channel called Custom Unboxing. You can refer to the channel link down below my comment. Thanks everyone, bye!